So I'll just start by saying who I am and what I'm doing today. So my name is Leah Isabel, and I'm from the PR department of AudaCity Capital. And we are currently
Okay.
conducting a few interviews with our traders just to find out about their journey into trading and how they got to the place they are today. So
Okay.
my first question for you is just to introduce yourself and then explain how you got interested in trading and how you got to the place you are today.
Okay. My name is Aka Janvier. I'm from Cote d'Ivoire. As they used to call it Ivory Coast. But I'm from Cote d'Ivoire. Maybe you know the robust country. And I came to Forex since I got my first training since 2008. And from there, I left it and I want to, as most of the people, I want to look for a job. And I came back. On this way since 2016. 2016, I got my a new training, and from there I got in training, so that from I came back, as I can say, and since 2016, I came back to Forex. And from there, I went through many processes. I did many trainings, and from there I failed since only in 2018. Then I found my way. I found my way, and the way I trade now, I think from there everything's okay now.
Great, that sounds great. So,
And now I have.
oh, sorry, you go ahead.
And now I have a pretty small company, and I used to train people. So they used to call me Coach Aka. So that is why, yeah. So and the company that I put is the name of the company is Ultimate Trading. Ultimate Trading.
Great, you sound like you're
Yeah.
doing really well for yourself, and that's great news. And you've been trading for a lot of years as well. So did you? You said you had some training in Forex and trading. Did you teach yourself, or did you have a mentor, or any like qualifications or educational background regarding trading?
Yeah, formally, I got many mentors, so, but I didn't get what I want from them. And because you are using indicators, and as all of us know, the indicators, some of them, they are late, or they are not so accurate. So what I was looking for, I was looking how to use only the price without any indicator. So that was what I was looking for. I think now one of my mentors from Malaysia, and the way they were trading, that was what I was looking for. So then from now, I think you can trade without use any indicator. You know when the price reach this place, and then you know somehow what will going to happen. So that is what we are doing now.
Yeah, it sounds like you're very knowledgeable on the subject now, so that's great news. And yeah, that sounds great. You sound like you're doing really well for yourself.
Yeah.
So you're doing the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how's that been for you so far? Do you have any feedback, or how's your performance been? Just how are you liking the program so far?
Can you come again? I didn't catch you.
Yeah, I'm just asking how you're finding the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital. If you have any feedback, or how's your performance, just any general feedback on the funded trader program and how you're doing with it.
With AudaCity Capital, first I start with I don't know if you heard about FTMO.
Yeah.
I start with them. I try to make the challenge. I did the challenge, is what okay. But what I found with AudaCity, I think the program that you are leading will be I think is best for me. So that is why I decide to stay with AudaCity Capital. So my aim is to, before the end of this maybe this year, to get the big capital with AudaCity so that I can trade. So my hope is to stay with AudaCity. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to go anywhere. So my hope is to stay with AudaCity. So that is why when I start, I've seen that I have something that I have to see. So I stopped. I told the guy I would stop and go back to see the strategy that I would use so that I can accomplish everything without any problem. So now I'm back. I think I will trade with accuracy manner.
Yeah, definitely. I'm glad you're having a great time with our program, and I'm sure you're doing great with us as well. And I'm sure in the next few months you will be hitting all those targets because you seem like you know a lot about Forex as well, which is great to see. So my last question is a little bit of a tricky one, and it's one that I ask to everyone that I interview. And it is, what is the best advice you could give to someone who's just starting their trading journey? So this may be something that you wish you had heard when you started Forex. It really changed your trading style, or just some information that was really valuable to you while trading.
Okay, some of the time, as for me, I'm purely using technical analysis. You know, my training style is based on pure technical analysis because I use to S&D, supply and demand. I use it, and also I combine it with what do you call it? I don't know if you heard about Steve Morrow. Steve Morrow, I don't know if you heard about him. Yes, I used to combine the S&D, supply and demand strategy with Steve Morrow. So I know I just wait in the zone. So from there, I don't use another news or fundamental. I don't use. I use some time to see the news from the websites, but I don't base myself on it. I just use my technical skills to do it.
Yeah, definitely. I think technical skills and other forms of analysis are very important in trading as well.
Yeah.
So I totally agree with you, and that was a great answer. And I think that's everything for me today. Thank you so much for this interview. It's been lovely to hear from
Thank
you,
you.
and I'm sure you'll be very successful within our program as well, because you seem to know a lot about Forex already. So thank you so much for today, and hopefully in a few weeks or months we can catch up again and talk again.
Thank you, Isabel, for the time that you gave me to explain myself for AudaCity Capital. I will do my best so that I will be among the best traders using AudaCity Capital funds. I will do my best to be among the best.
Great. I'm so glad to hear that. Well, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later.